Hello, welcome back to another Top Tipper demo video. In this video, we're going to show you how to configure your tipping profile if you have multiple properties, you want to add services, and even employee level tipping. So in this instance, let's just assume there's one property. Let's do the property info. And if you scroll down, you can see where there's services added, employees added. You can even have room numbers if you want to. So let's just add another service, and you can choose from the list, or you can create your own right here by just clicking a custom service. So we're going to add that. So now you can see when someone goes to your tipping page, they'll be able to select services, and if you've selected employees, and if you click on an employee, you can see where you're assigning them to a service, so that if someone selects housekeeping, they could then choose the housekeeping employee that they want to see get the tip. Now, there's one very important step that you need to do if you're going to enable this type of tipping. You go up to the right menu, you click on Profile, and right here where it says Default Tipping View, you be sure to select Boxes. That will ensure that when someone clicks on the tipping page, if you've set it up this way, that they'll come there and they'll see a setup like this. So here you can see hiking guide, housekeeping lists employees because we selected employees that were tied to housekeeping. So you can select them, you could select leasing agent, you could select valet service, whatever it is. Valet, as you can see, has an employee listed as well. Then you put in your tip amount and the person would follow the tipping flow to finish the tip transaction. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, we're always here at support@toptipper.co. Thank you.